Previously on searching for our first home.
I am finally house hunting.
In the last episode, you guys met my fiance Dante, and we were super excited about the home hunting process.
Excited. Can't even describe it.
Both of the homes that we toured in the last episode were beautiful, but they weren't exactly what we were looking for. So the search continues.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the house hunting series, okay? I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you guys the footage of just kind of the second part of me searching for our home. Throughout this process, we've honestly been looking at a lot of homes. I haven't been filming everything. I'm just kind of showing you guys a sample of what we've been looking at. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so it is a whole nother day. Actually a whole nother week, and so I am gonna actually take you guys with me today to go see the next houses. I'm gonna look at 2 houses this week, and honestly they are in 2 different areas that like I even imagine myself being in. This one, I'm actually driving to this house right now to go meet my boyfriend and our realtor, and this one, we're really excited about this one, but it is quite far from the city. But I mean, I've come to the realization that, you know, I'm probably gonna have to drive a little. I'm probably gonna be a little further away from the city. I mean, it is what it is. I really kind of don't go in the city that often anyway. But I mean, I kind of like the idea of being close, so I want to have that flexibility, but I don't know, we'll see. So I'll come back and show you guys what the house looks like.
It's like that online doesn't do justice.
It doesn't, because it looks totally different from the pictures.
Look at the shower in there.
Which one?
Well, I think we have to go to the shower in another flat.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay.
But you also don't have to get lot 13. You can build from scratch if you guys want enough, you know, different things.
I'm just curious to see what it looks like. All right. Love this. Oh, there's a loft area. Very nice. Of course, this is like the most expensive floor plan. Very spacious upstairs. Oh, how cute. How cute. Love this.
Definitely like family gamers up here, you know? I always say like I like upstairs loft because you can be messy up here without having to guess.
It's like a playroom too. Like if you have a kid.
I love this hallway.
Yes, it's so big. This is a nice family house. Oh, how cute. This is really cute. My realtor. Say hi, Courtney.
Hey.
Oh, let's see. This is cute. Did the other one have its own bathroom? Oh wait, yeah it does, but it's like not connected.
There's 3 bedrooms up here.
Okay, and then 1 downstairs. So I guess a guest downstairs. This is, wow. Very, ooh. It's definitely getting your money's worth.
Right.
Yeah, this is really nice. Very, very nice.
Very nice to have a sitting area.
I love this. It's nice. Definitely out the budget, but it's nice. Ooh. See, okay, look. This is what I'm talking about.
At least it has space to get there.
Yes, if you're gonna do this, it needs to be bigger. Dante loves these. I can't believe you made that statement. Your favorite so far? Well, not this one, but the other one. Wow.
You like the first one we saw better than that one?
Yes.
Oh, you do?
All right, so here is the dining room, and this is like the big like the entryway. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love this. All right. Living room space, pretty spacious. Make something work. I love how the breakfast nook is like separate and on its own. You could do like a little bench over there and have the table and chairs. And also have like the bar area, do some bar stools, which I love. I definitely want to like get quartz instead of countertop like this, but we'll see what's in the budget. But love this. Space for fridge. And I like how wide the entry is to the dining room. Pantry. Babe loves this one. What are your thoughts on this one? We already saw it, but this we're showing you guys. Your favorite versus the other one?
It's a winner.
It's a win. He loves this. What would you rate this one?
This is a 8.75.
What? Okay, what? Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, so what would make this a 10 for you?
How big your backyard?
But we don't have to get this lot, babe.
Well then, it can get bumped up. It's contingent.
So then why would it be a 9.25? This little closet. Why would it be a 9.25?
The backyard is big.
Oh. I love the railing of this, how it's like the iron railing. We really love that. Little half bath. Well, this is a full bath, but how we would have it is just like a little half bath. That, the stairs. Love the railing. And see the iron railing right there as well. And then it's the master. I love this master. So nice and spacious. So, not gonna lie, this closet kind of bothered me. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this closet. I felt it was a little too small, but Dante said I was tripping. Definitely want to like do custom builds in here, so maybe that'll help maximize the vertical space. Maybe I can do something on this wall. My realtor said that would be a good idea. Something maybe thin, and then this would be Dante's space, unfortunately. But there are other rooms that we could use. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end of the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And also, if you're new, consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.